Looking for Kangen water and ionized alkaline water in Fort Saskatchewan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important clean, healthy water is, and we understand the concerns about water quality in Fort Saskatchewan. Our Kangen water and ionized alkaline water systems offer a fantastic solution, providing cleaner, healthier, and more refreshing water right from your tap. Kingstree Plumbing is Fort Saskatchewan's trusted expert for professional installation and reliable service. Keep watching to learn more about how we can bring the benefits of Kangen water and ionized alkaline water to your home.